Unveiling the flavor of words, cooking up memories. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression in the English language, cooking up memories. This phrase is a beautiful example of how language can blend the sensory with the emotional, creating a vivid picture in our minds. Whether you're a language learner or just someone who loves exploring the depths of English expressions, this video is for you. Let's unravel the layers of meaning behind cooking up memories and see how it's used in everyday language. Cooking up memories is a metaphorical expression that combines two familiar concepts, cooking and memories. To fully appreciate this phrase, let's break down its components. Cooking is not just about preparing food. It's an art form that involves creativity, timing, and blending ingredients to create something delicious. It's an action that often brings people together and can be a deeply personal experience. Memories, on the other hand, are the recollections of past experiences, emotions, and sensations. They're the stories of our lives, captured in the mind's eye, often evoking a sense of nostalgia or longing. When we combine these concepts into cooking up memories, we're talking about the creation or evocation of memories through the act of cooking. This phrase suggests that cooking is not just about the food but also about the experiences, emotions, and connections it brings to life. Cooking up memories often implies a nostalgic element. It suggests that the act of cooking can transport us back in time, to moments that are cherished and fondly remembered. This could be a family recipe passed down through generations, each preparation a link to the past. A holiday meal that brings back the warmth of family gatherings. A dish associated with a specific event or period in one's life, like a pie that reminds you of summer vacations at a grandparent's house. In essence, this phrase encapsulates how sensory experiences, particularly taste and smell, can be powerful triggers for memory recall. Beyond nostalgia, cooking up memories can also refer to the creation of new experiences that will become cherished memories in the future. This aspect highlights the proactive nature of memory making. It's about gathering friends or family for a meal and creating shared experiences. Experimenting with new recipes or cuisines as a way to make special occasions memorable. Celebrating milestones with meals that become part of the story of those achievements. This interpretation of the phrase reminds us that memories are not only about the past but are also being created in the present moment. Cooking up memories is a rich and multi-layered expression that beautifully illustrates how language can capture the intricate relationship between our senses, emotions, and experiences. Whether it's revisiting cherished moments from the past or creating new ones to savor in the future, this phrase encourages us to see cooking as a means of connecting with ourselves and others on a deeper level. Thank you for joining me in exploring this delightful expression. I hope this discussion has not only enriched your understanding of the English language but also inspired you to think about the memories you create and cherish in your own life. Happy cooking and memory making!